What tools you need to access the components inside an outdoor air conditioning unit depend on the model and the task at hand. Start with a basic set of nut drivers and sockets because most service panels and fan bolts use common sizes. Carry 5/16 inch and 1/4 inch hex head nut drivers for access panels and control box covers. Bring a socket set with ratchet and extensions, including 3/8 inch and 7/16 inch sockets for fan motor bolts and compressor mounting hardware. A multi-bit screwdriver or driver set with Phillips and flathead bits and a set of Torx bits will help with control terminals and service disconnects. Add long nose pliers and channel lock pliers for pulling and securing wire connectors and bending small tabs, and insulated lineman style pliers if you will handle live wiring after disconnecting power. For electrical testing, use a reliable multimeter that measures voltage, resistance, and continuity, and follow basic safety steps like shutting off the outdoor disconnect and verifying 0 volts before touching terminals. Common mistakes include not fully de-energizing the unit, which risks shock. Always turn off the breaker at the panel and confirm with your multimeter before working on electrical parts. Another issue is stripping fasteners by using the wrong driver size or low-quality bits. Prevent this by matching the exact nut driver or socket size and keeping bits in good condition. A third frequent problem is damaging the fan or condenser fins when removing or reinstalling components. Support the fan assembly when loosening bolts and tighten evenly and to hand tight plus a quarter turn, and if fins are bent, use a fin comb to gently realign them. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors, and a homeowner can post a project to find interest. We also offer a discussion community where we and other members share advice and recommendations to help both homeowners and contractors find work and answers.